Are you stressed out? What is stress? Stress is a completely normal physical response to any event or occurrence that impresses pressure or danger upon your daily life. Your body's response to stress evolved as a way to remain alert and aware during the times of physical danger. Negative effects of stress: physical, weight gain or loss, unexpected hair loss, heart palpitations, high blood pressure, and emotional effects, mood swings, anxiety, can lead to depression, can also lead to unhealthy coping strategies like alcohol, drugs, etc. Foods to beat stress: green tea, pistachios, spinach, avocado, dark chocolate, yogurt, milk, blueberries, fermented foods, green or leafy vegetables. Other ways to cope with stress are: sleep at least 7 to 8 hours daily, take long walks or do regular exercising, going out in the sun and soaking in some sunlight for 10 to 15 minutes for an enhanced mood, and practicing meditation and yoga for a peaceful and calm mind.